Hello, how's it going, Chad? I spoke with you a couple of weeks ago, and then I came down with COVID. I told you that I'd make this video for you, and I just want to apologize first and foremost. I honestly couldn't control when I got COVID, but I'm filming this video for you. You had asked for more information on how you could become more relevant online, and so I'm just going to show you that real quick. So the website that you gave me, um, popped up to this one here, and I'm assuming I'm assuming this is your website. So I'm just gonna scan through it really quick. And first and foremost, I love the green. This is super awesome. It looks like it's you guys are a national company, and you might just have own a piece of it, I'm assuming. So I'm just gonna go through it really quick and kind of show you something that I found. So the website you gave me was this one here, okay? Was svmbyrs.com. And pulling that one up, I saw that you had 7 referring domains. I guess I should actually tell you what I'm going to be talking about today. So some tips and tricks. There's 3 of them, okay? So the first one is content, which I see that your website has plenty of. The second one is backlinks, which you're seeing here. And then the third one is citations, okay? Probably the most important one. So since we've kind of already looked over your website, I was, this is the other one that pulled up whenever I clicked the link. So just looking over your website, I noticed that you have a lot of keywords: cleaning services, restoration, and that's great, right? Because Google doesn't care how pretty your website looks. I know that I was telling you how pretty your website looks and the colors that you guys use, the pictures that are on here. Google only cares about the amount of content that you put on your website and the amount of keywords. So you putting cleaning partner, cleaning services, specialist, restoration services, things like that, those are all keywords that Google will help you to rank your website that could beat your competitors. The second thing that I want to talk about really quick are backlinks, okay? And the one that we were looking at here, let's see, where is it? Okay, so for the website you gave me, I'm sorry, I'm still kind of going through the whole COVID thing here. The website that you gave me has 17 backlinks, and what backlinks are just essentially other websites vouching for you that you are a quality business, that you are who you say you are. And the backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal, if I'm being honest with you, Chad. Some backlinks, obviously Google knows that you're not a restaurant, so if you're backlinking to a restaurant, it has a lot less power. Okay, so as you can see here, this is your URL power, your domain power, just stuff like that. So you're at a 0.1, which is not kind of where we want to be. We want to bring that up. Okay, your referring domains are the websites that your website is on. So if I click on it, go Farmington, carpet cleaning elite. So I mean, this is a good start, but you definitely want some more referring domains and putting your link in these domains. So let's see. And then lastly, what I want to talk to you about is citations. Okay, so we're gonna I'm gonna Google here. Let's see if I have it pulled up here already. Yeah, restoration services, Farmington, New Mexico. So that's a keyword, right? This is buyer intent. People are looking for this like right now, and they're looking to purchase. All right, so as you can see, there's 2 ads here, one out of Albuquerque and one here out of Farmington. All right, so this company here is paying for this ad. I can show you how to do that too later. If you'd like, you could just shoot me a message after you watch this video. Now, you guys are #1 here in the organic rankings, and like I said, it just could be because you guys are a nationally recognized company. So the amount of backlinks that the national company has are a lot. So this is great right here. This is a good sign. But where you really want to be, where all the money goes, is here in the in what we call the Google Map Pack, right, or the Google My Business. So if you want to see more traffic, you want to get here. And in order to be here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. And you're probably wondering what citations are. Citations are anywhere that your business is on a directory. So a directory could be like Yelp, let's see, it could be Yelp, it can be Angie's List, Home Advisor, um, places like that, even Farmington Chamber of Commerce. Those are all directories. And in order to beat your opponents to get here in this map pack, you would definitely have to have more citations than your competitors. And so if M&R Restoration has, I don't know, 150 citations, then I'd want you to outrank them by 300 citations. So you would just go into their website or Google it yourself how many citations M&R Restoration is. I would put my business on all their citations as well. Granted, there are some websites that do require you to pay to put your business information on their website. But I would just go in and enter it in all those places and all those directories so that you can take this #1 spot here. Again, this is where all the traffic goes. I don't know if you're like me, but whenever I Google a place, right, I usually call the first person that's on here. So just to kind of recap, so the first one is content, which your website has plenty of. I did see a lot of keywords in there. The second one is backlinks. If the one that you sent me is your website here, then you're going to want to put in more referring domains. So you have just other websites linking back to your website. And there's a lot of places you can do that. And you can just, go to backlink searcher, keyword searcher, places like that, or websites like that. And then lastly are the citations. Like I said, that's probably the most important. So if you want to get here in this Google Map Pack, just list your name, address, and phone number in more places or in more directories than your competitors here. Now, you have one of two, or I should say you have two options. The first one, you can do this all yourself, right? I don't get anything out of it, right? This is just free education on showing you how you can get more clients, more leads this way. You could definitely do it yourself. Like I said, outcite your opponents, put in some more backlinks. It does take a little bit of time, but I know, anybody could do it, right? Or you can reach out to me and I'd be glad to help you with that. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to Facebook message me. And again, I do apologize for making the screencast 2 weeks later. Hope you can understand. Thank you so much, Chad. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.